Hi guys, McKenna Lauzon reviews. I'm going to be doing the Try Not to Laugh challenge. Oh, that's going to be interesting. So, yeah. So, I have a bucket with me. And I did it once already. Ew! Guys, that was disgusting. And for that, I have to make a video with Play-Doh eggs. Let's go. Because I didn't win the challenge, so I have to make a video doing a Play-Doh egg. Actually, no. I did not win the challenge, so I have to do something horrible. I didn't win the challenge. So what am I going to do? I'm going to have to eat a mushroom. Actually, this is what we have in our fridge. Okay. Yeah, that's what we have. So that's what I have to do. I have to eat a slice of raw carrot with the peel. Guys, this is gonna be hard. I'll just take off a little piece. Oh, gross. Guys, this is disgusting. You're lucky that I do this. I don't do this anytime. So you guys are lucky. So give this video a thumbs up because I don't want to do this. But I have to eat this. It's a raw carrot with the peel on it. Or I lost the challenge. I know it has peel. I don't like carrots like with peel. That's disgusting. Ew! It like gives you a dirt aftertaste. Ew. Let's go back in my room. Okay. Ew! Look, I'm doing this, guys. This is a challenge. Ha. Okay, guys, I lost that challenge too. Disgusting. So, guess if you want me to do more challenges like this, give me a thumbs up. Bye, guys.